All right, Mike Lafferty jumps out to the early race lead. Rod second, John third, Dennis fourth. All right, 45 seconds into this one, it's Mike, John, Dennis, Rod, Dean, and Greg.
Left.
Oh, gotcha. All right, Lucky Dog spots a 55.403.1. We got Lafferty out on a 57.403, now a 56.4 flat. John's on a 55.401, Dennis on a 55.02, Rod on a 55.02, Dean's on a 54.403. So Mike Lafferty looking pretty good here early on in this one. Minute 30 down, 2:30 to go. Lafferty going to be working up on the backside of Dean. Dean slides over, lets him go. Nice job. That's the way to do her. Minute 40 down. 4:42 that time by for Lafferty. John, we're at a 4:50, 4:55 for Dennis. Half a track lead for Lafferty in that number one spot. 56.402.5. At the halfway mark, 2 down, 2 to go. Over a lap ahead of the current Lucky Dog. Minute 30 to go. Lafferty still on up now, just down to a 55.4 flat .0. Johnson 54.4 flat .0. It's Mike, John, Dennis, Rod, Dean, and Greg.
Left.
1 minute to go. 55.4 flat .9. Mike's working up behind Dennis. Dennis slides over, lets him go. Nice job. .40 seconds to go. 55.401.7. It's going to be close. Race leader's got clear track in front of him. .25 seconds to go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Car 6 is done. Car 4 Car 5 is done. Car 1 is done.
Everybody's done. Shut them down. Lafferty takes it 55.403.3. Just missing Lucky Dog.